The School of Education at Aberystwyth University was founded in 1892 and is one of the longest established education departments in the UK. Our mission is to combine the best of our traditions for academic and excellence with the most up-to-date methods in teaching, student engagement and research.
It's your university, so demand the most from it.
Our students are the heart of the School of Education, and they tell us that they love the friendly and supportive atmosphere that we have created here on our stunning and vibrant campus. Our objective is to make sure all of our students reach their full potential and have a truly enriching experience while studying with us. From day one of your time at the School of Education, you will be supported by our staff and your fellow students. We have earned a reputation for excellent teaching at the School of Education, and the learning experiences you will have will be of the highest quality. Employers tell us that they want graduates who are knowledgeable, resourceful, creative and energetic, with a can-do attitude to new challenges, and from the outset, you'll be supported to make the most of every learning opportunity and reach your full potential at the School of Education.
As my dream has been to become a teacher, the 125 years of training teachers for the future meant my employability has been the key focus over the last 3 years. The experience of listening to key speakers and past students from a range of fields has really opened my eyes to how different avenues will open up for me. Many of my friends have chosen other pathways after graduation, such as the civil service, local government, children's services, or working in industry. But for me, it's time to meet my new class.